What if I told you that a little piece of heaven is right here in Goldendale, Washington, where the only sounds you will hear is the Little Klickitat River flowing and the birds chirping, and then the summer laughter from your very own swimming hole. This over 10-acre property is the slice of paradise, featuring 2 homes, 2 garages, chicken coops, and so much more. This is your country life's dream come true. Welcome to 304 Toad Road in Goldendale, Washington. As I mentioned, there are 2 homes on this property, and I'm excited to tell you about each of them. The main residence is the heart of the property, where if every room could talk, you could hear the laughter from family reunions, birthday parties, barbecues, and beautiful Christmas mornings with your loved ones. Not to mention, you could see the smiling faces and hear the laughter of your family in the summer sliding down the slip and slide past your kitchen window, making the memories that count the most. This home and property is what many of us dream of. Inside, you'll find 3 levels, 4 bedrooms, and 5 bathrooms. The main floor of this home has had a recent major remodel and is absolutely stunning. The kitchen is a chef's dream with top-of-the-line appliances from Blue Star and Miele. The stunning large quartz island is a perfect place for entertaining and the perfect size for kitchen conversations that everyone will always remember. Adjacent from the kitchen is a nook and a dining room, perfect for your entertaining or just sipping your morning coffee. Now it's time to grab a glass of wine and head out to the beautiful paver patio, the seller's favorite place to enjoy a cocktail or a glass of wine. This patio features a gas fireplace and hot tub, the perfect place to sit and relax. This home sits in a valley where you have no full-time neighbors and it is incredibly quiet and serene. Now let's take a quick tour of the property. Perched at the top of the hill is this 36 by 36 shop, perfect for your parking and storage needs. Now follow me down to check out the other detached large garage and 3 chicken coops. The sale of this home could come with your very own chickens that lay eggs. The second home on this property is this adorable 2-bedroom, 1-bath cabin constructed in 1980 and sitting right on the Little Klickitat River. You cannot build this close to the river anymore, and this makes this cabin something that is irreplaceable. This is the perfect spot for guests, or possibly an additional income generator on your property. With the ultimate privacy right up your sleeve, this Toad Road property offers the perfect environment for quality family time, coupled with an amazing unique lifestyle you'll get in Goldendale. It couldn't be a more perfect place to live, and these memories created here will last a lifetime. If this beauty caught your eye, just reach out to the JDRA team and we would love to give you your own private showing of this legacy property.